Hi, in this video, you will learn how to download the report for your idea. If you are already on your dashboard, go and click on the idea you want to download the report of. In this case, it's my insurance idea. Then you scroll down and you will find a section that says report. Then you click on download custom report and you will get to this screen. And here you again download on report, and sometimes it takes a bit of time, so you have to be patient, and then it will download a complete PDF with all your results. Once you have downloaded your report, you will get a PDF that looks like this. In this PDF, you will find your 3 scores, and as you can see, you'll have the descriptions of your top 10 competitors in the same place. You'll also see the patents from your competitors that are related to your idea, and you'll get a list of the general patents that are similar to your invention. This is great because you'll be able to check this information in the same place anytime you want.